Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are having trouble removing or uninstalling an app on your iPhone, then we are here with some steps you can take to fix this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Settings app on your iPhone. So inside Settings, scroll down and tap on the Screen Time. Now in Screen Time, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle it on. Then tap on iTunes and App Store. Then you can see deleting apps and make sure it is on allowed button. So making sure that you have not enabled restrictions that prevent you from deleting apps is must. So if it is in don't allow, then make sure it is an allow option. Now go back to the settings again. In settings, tap on the general. In general, tap on the iPhone storage. Then simply tap on the any app you want to delete. Then you can see the delete app option available in the iPhone storage. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue and remove the app from your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.